Continuing with question number 11. Two angles are supplementary. What does supplementary mean? Supplementary means that they add up to 180. If they're supplementary angles, they add up to 180. Now, if your question says that they're complementary angles mean that they add up to 90 degrees. So those are just two new vocabulary words, supplementary and complementary. Okay, these two are going to be supplementary. So whatever the angles are, when you add the two angles up, you get 180. One angle is 4 degrees more than 3 times the other angle. If we let one angle be x, the other angle is going to be 4 degrees more than 3 times x. So this one's going to be 4 plus 3x. So here's x, here's 4 plus 3x. When we add those two angles together, 4 plus 3x plus x, we should get 180 degrees. Collecting like terms on the left-hand side, 3x plus x gives me 4x. I still have the plus 4 equals 180. Subtracting 4 from both sides, I have 4x equals 180 minus 4 is 176. Dividing both sides by 4, I get x equals 176 divided by 4 is 44. So the smaller angle, that was our x, is 44 degrees. And our larger angle is going to be 4 plus 3x. So 4 plus, let me go get the calculator. I have 4 plus 3 times, what was it, 44? Yes. I get 136. So the larger angle is 136 degrees. Now, if I wanted to do a mental check, if I add these two angles up, I should get 180 degrees. So let's go check that. What is 44 plus 136? 180. I did it correctly. Number 12. The largest angle in a triangle is 5 times the smallest angle. The middle angle is 3 times the smallest angle. Given that the sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, find the measure of each angle. So they've already given you the picture. One angle is x degrees, that's the smallest. The middle angle is 3x degrees, and the largest angle is 5x degrees. If I add those three angles up, x plus 3x plus 5x, I should get 180 degrees. Collecting like terms on the left, 1x plus 3x plus 5x gives me 9x equals 180. Dividing both sides by 9, I'm left with x equals 180 divided by 9, which is 20. So now I have to ask myself, what was x? X was the smallest angle. The smallest angle is 20 degrees. Okay, the next angle, 3x, 3 times 20 would be 60 degrees. That's the middle angle. And last but not least, 5x, so 5 times 20 would be 100 degrees. Let's see, the smallest angle measure is 20 degrees. The middle angle is 60 degrees. And the largest angle was 100 degrees. Number 13, a parallelogram has height h and base b. Write a formula for the area. So the area of a parallelogram is always base times height. A equals BH. For letter B, it says solve the formula for the base. So you want B equals. So if you have A equals B times H, to get B by itself, you want to divide both sides by H. So A divided by H is equal to B. That's part B. Part C says to find the base of the parallelogram pictured if the area is 60 square meters. Write your answer as an integer or simplified fraction. All right, here we go. We know that the base is equal to the area divided by the height. The area that we got, that we were given in the problem was 60. And the height in the picture is 10. 60 divided by 10 is 6. So the base is 6 meters. Number 14, find the indicated area. Be sure to include proper units. So for part A, it says to find the area of a parallelogram with base 20 inches and height 12 inches. So we're doing this figure, the parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is base times height. Base is 20 inches times height of 12 inches. 20 times 12 is 240. Now the units, it's always going to be squared units. So our answer is 240 square inches. Part B says to find the area of the triangle. The area of a triangle is always 1/2 times base times height. So for this triangle, we have 1/2 times base, which is 20, times height, which is 12. On our calculator, 1/2 times 20 times 12 is 120. It's area again, so we're going to have inches squared, or square inches. In part C, it says to compare those two areas. What do you notice about those two areas? Well, the parallelogram with base 20 and height 12 is 240. The triangle with base 20 and height 12 is 120. How do those two numbers compare? Well, the area of the triangle, is 1/2 the area of the parallelogram. So let's see what they're wanting down here for part C. The area of the triangle is 1/2 the area of the parallelogram. That's it.